Welcome to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, the events that took place in quote-unquote MECA seem to have taken an even uglier turn. I say seem because early reports, but might not look too good. One of the security guards who work at MECA is now dead. Never died of natural causes. Remember, Saturday, 25th, the big thing go on. Saturday night, late night. And then by Tuesday, that security guard dead. The security guard is an ex-police officer, ex-squaddy. I could talk about it. But before going to that, we have a Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Peter. To that Peter Earthstrong. So, Patreon squad, the PIA, we big him up, we bless him up. Peter, enjoy yourself. Hope you enjoy the day. If a nightclub and everything that your thing, and you go circle one of them, then just keep your head on a swivel. Remember, try and maintain the 3-1 eagle eye to seat bag rule. And if you see too much LIQ, remember, if there's more than 4, walk through the door. Remember that's the Peter, big up yourself. We could get back to the video. One of the security guard ex-police officer, is now dead. When they kill him a marketplace at a Constant Spring Road, in case you don't know, Adesso, MECA there, marketplace. Marketplace full of all kind of business place, work for restaurants and all kind of things. It's actually quite a fancy place. Not fancy enough 87s pull up and kill people there. And evidently just make it all back easily. So based on eyewitness reports, Coley, aka Panda, people from in police days might even know him as Kung Fu Panda, car pull up, 87 jump out, walk up to a man and have a brief conversation with him. Then after that, walk off. Then the man start fire a shot from Panda. That's the ex-police officer who is now dead. And then the man we walk up to first also gets shot. Very interesting. I say the report we look on. So the man we walk up to first, I in a conversation with, he look like he say something to him, then walk off, and then after that be a gunshot start fire. Panda up dead, and the man was seriously injured. Then they mention the shooting take place the same place where MECA there, marketplace or Constant Spring Road. They rush them to hospital. Panda never make it. The other brother, them carry him gone on surgery. It sound like him have a pull through, but they can never tell. You have to wait and see. If you know marketplace, you know say there's a place we're supposed to have surveillance all over the place. Cases like them, the 87 shouldn't even reach back at half a tree or spring or anywhere take it. If him turn down half a tree side, if him turn down Constant Spring side, him shouldn't reach too far without. Then catch up on him based on the amount of surveillance. But should be there. Should. And again, you don't know Iron Man. Yeah, we used to say 15 business places with camera and none of them camera now work, or you say can't find this, you have to go see. But it appears, it's an early report, but it appears some kind of retaliation for what happened in the club. Now, when I watch back the video, I try make out Panda. In terms of the fighting, it don't look like Panda was doing the whole heap of swinging and thumping like, unless there's a longer version. Yeah, but the version that me have, the video me have, I imagine It must be a longer one, but we have a very short one, about 20-25 seconds or something like that. I never really see Panda. I try to make him out to see because him big in a body, it's easier for looking at the video and try and see which one is which, and the man will swing the thumb the man. Never look like Panda one. Remember, you don't have to be the exact man to do them nothing. Them can just want to kill back a security from MECA. That in itself would have been considered retaliation. So so when they go up on the corner and them say, this is how them are going to word it. Some security boy from MECA diss me. Right, so let's say there's 30 security who work for MECA. And 4 of them was involved in the scuffle. Right, according to 87 logic, when them say some security boy, that means you know all 30 involved, and all 30 can get it. So even though it look like Panda wasn't even one of the people who have fling the whole heap of thump and all that kind of thing, he not dead. This is how things escalate easily in Arima. Easily. What is supposed to be a night of, enjoyment. So from liquor throw to thumper throw to gunshot throw. That's how easy things can get ugly. That's how easy things can get, and there's probably going to be some kind of damage control. I know the business place, and they're not like when them name attached to certain things. So don't be surprised if even they see Panda they say MECA say, we don't know about that, we don't know anybody I call the name. Right, by the way, club open again tomorrow night, see? So now there's a security guard them probably they on for them P's and Q's. And maybe them say them I go do back something, we have to go see. But this is petty nonsense that turn into death and destruction. Just like that. But remember the ego thing, man dead and people see, 87, or man say them a top man and man say them a run off over here, and man say them a this and them a that. Remember in kerosene, see him get all couple lick and in bridging him go see him get kicked down. So you take that man youth, you take that dog will get, you take that man youth, you take that dog. No ego. I'm not going to do back something. Because the culture dictates if I go do back something. Person in the kerosene I run up and down all that. Look how the table catch me, the table lick off all my eyelash. How long will it take with my eyelash? You make man fling table and lick off my eyelash. And you know do nothing. You go take that. You just one I security board them all, make me drop and broke on my heel, I go take that. I see them think they get boots up and what do you think I got happen? You think people are whisper in their ears? No bro, make peace reign bro. Bro, remember, in the day we're all one bro. Remember we're out of many one people, it's all about that. And that them a hear. And that them a hear because the coach that said it, because them a hear is my youth, you take that dog. Yo, all if man a bad man I tell him say yo. And I know somebody can do something in the youth. Even if you don't want to do it, I know somebody can do it. I watch bro, me do it for you though. Me nah make you take that. Hey, you have some youth will love the trouble so much, Obviously we don't start this go down now. I'm give you I just have to give you an example of how the streets culture work. Sometimes things go down and a man get quote unquote this, And him no want to do nothing, But him have some youth around him, he always have a one mad attitude around him in a way. Him love the acidity. So he must say, yo, you're not different dog. Yo, watch it, you're not alright. That me do it then. Since you go like you're a fool. Since you go like you're me do it then. I'm to your man, you think the boy come this my bridging. And so he might go on he might talk about him now, make him this in bridging to make him sound like I'm bridging him. He might do it fine. But really, all him see is an opportunity to go kill. Him see an opportunity to go cause some kind of chaos, death and destruction. So, in bridging say him not interested in the war, but him now make the opportunity miss. So enough time man will do things with them don't even if you do things for. Sometimes the person who it happen to are the peacemaker and the people them around them and say, yo, you eat that, you want you're next thing them pull up now. Come here, show you culture working. You're next thing them pull up. My youth, you want the world will look like fool, The man them this you ain't not defend it. That's gonna make the whole of we look like fools. So I've got arm to your dog. You're ready for step? No. Just like that. Let me say it look like what? It was a normal night. A party turn into a fight. Turn into blood spill. A night. From party 99 night. Probably have to go make one show name so from party 99 night. That's sorry man. Chicken Mary. Badness then here. The man have to prove. No man now this guy nothing care. Man a bad man, you hear that? The boy can't come think some soft, he must have man. I want to your dog, you know some man come from round and link with round so. You know some me a black man, cousin, second cousin, third cousin friend. I want to your dog, a one link. Nah take no this. The youth them round them not talk them down. And the curious scene them round them not talk them down neither. Nobody think say they may have a soft woman or go upon. Babes, just leave it alone, babes, and that she say. She say, I eat that and see boy this, the boy this me. The boy me call me heels broke. Call water dash from my mascara. Look on my face. You ever take that? When you hear that, all if you know I'm going to start like, he start load up in gun. In turn shabba ranks. I love all of the gun them. Somebody dead. Make you see what happened now. If you see that when I play out. Asian squad, you go on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.